season has been absolutely phenomenal. Like, I can't remember a season like this, starting early in November, running all the way through. The snow, the coverage, the terrain, everything is open. It's gorgeous.
And just like that, we are jumping into another stretch of amazing skiing and riding as we roll into weekend 15 here at Bretton Woods. Hello everyone, I'm Celine McArthur, your Slopeside storyteller. Late season turns, full terrain, and yes, more snow on the way. Perfect timing for Massachusetts students wrapping up break and New Hampshire students just getting started.
We're very excited because it's going to snow again, which is perfect. 3-4 inches overnight on Friday. Saturday is going to be a beautiful powder day. And again, temperatures are just nice, and you can sort of smell it in the air that spring is coming.
When you've been doing this long enough, you start to read the signs. And back in week 2 of the season, Alexa had a pretty strong feeling about how this one would shape up.
Feeling pretty good. I actually heard on the news that Summit of Mount Washington is about to break a record for the amount of snowfall in November. The last time they did that was the winter of 68-69, which was one of our biggest snow years ever. So I'm feeling pretty confident about the winter, but I don't want to say anything. I don't want to jinx it.
I was close. It's fun to look back at historical records, and it was a very similar weather pattern from the summer into the fall. It's a La Nina year, so typically those can be very good for us, snow quality-wise and snow amounts, and that's kind of what's been happening.
This fluffy snow that we've had the past couple weeks is awesome, and everybody's having a blast in it, but we need something to help stick that all together. If we can get a good dumping of some wet snow, it'll make for an awesome spring.
It's amazing the kind of season we've had here at Bretton Woods Nordic. We actually got on snow in November for the first time in quite a while, and we've had skiing pretty much continuously since then. And we have great snow now, and we're expecting some more this weekend. All going well, we're going to have another month and a half to the season. So if you came out for some lessons now, learn to ski, you'll have plenty of time to practice.
Starting Saturday, February 21st, you can buy your season passes for the 2026-2027 season. You will lock in the lowest price Bretton Woods will offer for next season, and there are a few perks depending on which pass you buy. Plus, there are benefits you can't put a price on.
It's the sense of community, both here on the mountain with the lifties and ski patrol and everyone who just says,
"Hey fellas, how we doing today?"
Hello, and how's your day, and how is it out there? And those conversations quickly build into kind of wintertime relationships. And so it's the community here at the mountain. It's the friends and families that we have connected with and maintained for years and years, because this is the winter home.
You can learn more at BrettonWoods.com. We'll see you here.